Good job!
Katie is loud, funny, boisterous, charismatic.
Katie is just one of these educators that really has that passion that exudes not only through her classroom, but everything she does, and the students feed off that in a positive manner.
I just love how she encourages us, and she's amazing.
So hi, I'm Katie Doyle. I am a marine biologist, and I am the oceans teacher here at Flower Bluff. I truly fell in love with teaching. That light bulb moment of watching a kid figure something out and seeing them smile.
If you come into this room, kids are moving, kids are talking, kids are working with things. This room is alive.
I'm truly a big kid, so for me, if I'm not having a fun time doing it, I know the kids aren't going to want to do it. So I try to have a hands-on lab every day.
It's clear they're not only learning information at a very high level, but they're retaining it and they're intrigued by it.
We got to come do water samples to learn about the pH, ammonia, the salinity, nitrate and nitrite, to see about the water, to see if it's healthy for what it's supposed to be at and things like that.
She loves the students to go to the wetlands area. They're seining, kayaking. They're doing water quality tests, air quality tests.
And from watching Katie interact with her students, it reminds me of the importance of building these interpersonal connections and really inspiring students to want to keep seeking education and to be passionate about science.
She lives this. It's all about the environment and protecting the environment, and this is something that she does just internally, that she lives personally, and she's passing it on professionally to her students. And I know this is going to be something that's going to pay off dividends for generations to come.
She's doing everything. She's involved in our community. She's involved in not just our school, she's integrating our entire district in loving nature.
I am deeply honored by winning this award. I am so humbled because I know that it's not just me winning this award. It's my students, it's my school, it's the entire community. It's everybody who has given up of themselves, time, money, resources for this program. I cannot wait to see what they come up with when they become adults, because these are the future leaders. These are the ones that are going to be making the difference for our environment. These are the ones that are going to be making the next medical breakthrough. And I truly can't wait to see what they do.
Yes, I love Miss Doyle. She's a really nice person. She works really hard. She's an amazing teacher. She cares a lot about us.